Hey friends, this is Chris from TechBeard, and this is the GMMK2, Glorious's latest addition to their keyboard lineup. So today I have the black 65% pre-built version with their latest Fox linear switch. We'll take a look at what's included in the box and go over my first impressions, so let's do it. Also, just as a heads up, I am part of Glorious's affiliate program, but I did purchase this myself, and as always, all of my thoughts are my own. I will leave my affiliate link down below if you wanted to check this out though. So in the box we have the keyboard, a switch and keycap puller, a braided USB-C cable, and an extra escape key with Glorious's new logo on it. Seems like they're doing a little bit of rebranding over there, which is pretty cool to see. This comes in black, white, or pink, and has the option of either a 65% or a 96% layout, and can be purchased as a barebones kit or pre-built. The only difference is that the barebones kit doesn't include any keycaps or switches, so you would have to purchase these separately. So the pre-built comes with Glorious's latest Fox linear switch, so it's basically their answer to an MX or Gateron Red that you see with other keyboards in this price point. So fun fact, actually, this is the only way you can get this new switch. They actually do not currently sell this separately. Unsure and unclear if it's going to be sold separately in the future, but if you did want to try this switch out, again, you'd have to buy this as the pre-built version. Along with these, it comes with OEM profile double shot ABS keycaps. I went in this case with the black keyboard, but it also comes in pink and white. The keycaps have an interesting texture on them, which in my opinion makes them feel a little bit on the cheaper side. So I definitely suggest swapping these out if you feel the same way. So this keyboard is tray mounted with an aluminum top plate with a plastic bottom case. It has 11 screws holding it all together, but seems a little excessive if you ask me, with a cable that connects to the USB-C daughter board in the bottom. Also in the bottom of the case, we have this foam layer that does a good job at absorbing the sound from the case. From there, it has 4 screws that hold the top plate to the PCB with the same type of foam layer sandwiched between. Overall, I think they did a great job with the amount of foam included on this board to produce a muted sound. On the back of the board, it has a nice rubber stoppers with flip-up feet, so you can adjust the typing angle from 7 to 14 degrees, depending on what feels comfortable to you. Now, the PCB looks to have Glorious's own branded hot swap sockets that support both 3 and 5 pin switches with per key RGB lighting, and you can actually configure all of this with Glorious's core software. Now let's hear that stock sound test. Alright, so let me know what you think by leaving a comment down below, but overall I think it sounds pretty good for being stock. I just think the clip-in stabilizers could use some tuning, as they sounded pretty bad. They did say these were pre-lubed from the factory, but it wasn't a great job. Alright, so is this keyboard worth it for the price? To end this video, I will say that in my opinion, the keyboard's worth it. However, going with the barebones kit will save you around $40, coming in at $79.99, whereas the pre-built version is $119.99. Since the Fox switch isn't really anything groundbreaking or anything too crazy like that, and the included ABS keycaps are just all right. They're not great. You can honestly pick up a better set of keycaps for a pretty good price anyway. I definitely recommend going with the barebone kit rather than the pre-built. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out my video, and let me know if this is a board that you're thinking about picking up and why in the comments. If you found this helpful, feel free to leave a like, but until next time, this is Chris from TechBeard. Have a good day.